Okay, doing part two because I didn't finish showing you the last thing I did. So I'm tapping, right? It just helps to get the product onto your little angled eyeliner brush. So you could leave it like this, or you can go back and tap again. And I like to make this to create a little wing, but then sweep up. And this smokes it out. So just at the outer corner, very lightly, so you don't end up, with a mess like this, pointing inward, and just lightly smoke it. And I like to go all the way in. Of course, you don't have to. I just think it looks better to go all the way in. Makes the eye look more complete. Also, if you don't go all the way in on your eyeliner and you apply a light eyeshadow, it'll separate your eyes, which is good for people who have close set. But if your eyes are not close set, then they're gonna look really far. Anyhow, this is how I like to do my eyeliner with eyeshadow. And of course you finish by applying your mascara. I also wanted to point out that you can use any color you want. You can use brown, a dark matte brown, green, purple, like whatever mood you're in, or if you just like the subtle brown eyeshadow, you can totally just use that. I like black, so I use black a lot. Did my lower lashes as well to open up, especially on the outer corners. And this is the finished look. Simple and easy, but still really nice to look at, I think.